this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the browsing history on your PlayStation 4. So if you're using the internet browser on your PlayStation and you want to cover your tracks so people can't see what you're browsing, go to this and then start it up and press Options. So go to the Options button on your controller and then go to Browsing History. And you can see all the stuff I've been going to. And then press Options, go to Clear Browsing History. And then delete the browsing history. And there is no more browsing history. Now we can go up to Settings too. And we can go to Clear Website Data. So if we enter in information, this will clear it out too. So we can just delete it right there. And then we should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.